Now I am coming to the fourth Brahman. So see how beautiful the third, therefore I like among all the upasana, this prana upasana was very good. Vishuddhatvam, let me see anybody remembers. Duratvam, Bhartrittatvam, Angirasatvam, Vakpatitvam, then Samganatvam, then Jap is there. This you compile. So when you are writing your notes, you can just for your information, you arrange everything. Please note. Don't you think how to do this upasana? You know who is behind that. Understanding when you do mantra will change. Understanding of nourishment of the body will change. Understanding of Om will change. Udgit upasana. Everywhere there is some other power which we don't appreciate. We are very much appreciating the seen world. But not unseen world is much stronger than the seen world. There is a bigger one who is behind you, behind these mantras. So this perception will take you to some kind of vision. Now I will go to the fourth Brahmana. Oh, thank you. I thought we'll never go. No, we have gone. Now, don't forget the beginning of this Upanishad. If you see your notes, I had mentioned that there was something called Adhyarop and Apavad. Adhyarop Apavadabhyam Prapancham Nishprapanchate. And I had mentioned that you cannot point about Atma. Therefore, you superimpose and desuperimpose. So you superimpose the world on the self and later on negate the world. That means world is not real because it has been negated. And first chapter was on the Adhyaro. Have a very clear-cut knowledge. I'm not saying you have to by heart all. If anything has to be by hearted, I'll tell that. I'm not saying any specific mantra you have to by heart. Don't worry about that. But get a glimpse, an idea, what exactly, how the mantras are moving. Why they are moving like that? What was the first Brahman saying? What was the second Brahman saying? What was the third Brahman saying? How it went, at least mentally keep an idea about that. So, accept and negate the observed world. This was the meaning. So, Satyam must be there. Then I had mentioned there must be Satyam which is other than the Mithya. Okay. What has to be negated is called Vyakrit Prapanch and Avyakrit Prapanch. Avyakrit Prapanch is called Maya, Prakriti, etc. And manifest world is of two categories. Sadhan Prapanch and Sadhya Prapanch. Okay. Difficult. Sadhan Prapanch. Prapanch, don't get negative about Prapanch. Prapanch means, Panch means 5. Panch Mahabhut, Panch Prana, Panch Tattva. But Panch also means expansion. Panchanan. The lion's name is Panchanan. Panchanan means who expands his mouth like that. Bahubrihi Samas is there. Panch doesn't mean 5 in case of lion. So Panch means who expands. Oh, like that. It can open the mouth. Wide open the mouth. Therefore it is called Panchanan. Sanskrit has such beautiful words. Very communicative. How will you say in English? I don't know. It has already communicated there. So Prapanch means expansion of the sadhana. That is called Sadhan Prapanch. Okay. expansion of the sadhana. Bole we only had 3. No, from these you can have many more sadhanas and many more upasanas are there. It's not only 3. There are many more. But what is the purpose of that, you could have found out. You have found out that purpose of any sadhana is to expand your thought. If somebody is doing sadhana and still he has narrow mind, I think something is missing. He is not internalizing it. कुछ तो कहीं गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Okay, I still am very angry. I was much more angry. हम मानते हैं. By my sadhana, by 1 millimeter, my thought has, I agree. Good, continue, you will get it. But if the nature is not changing and my disturbances are same, that means the sadhana is external and it has not gone to internalize the thought. कुछ थोड़ी सी गलती हो रही है. कुछ तो गलती है. So sadhana will increase your faith because you will see the result. You do jap and you will see that there is some change in my attitude. You will see that somebody from outside also has changed. Sadhana does increase the change, faith. Sadhana does increase the bhakti. Sadhana does increase the vairagya. I'm only saying, please do the sadhana more consciously. Take us from jnanam of shastri karma. Tamso ma jyotirgamaya. See the meaning there. Generally we see chamso ma, take me from darkness to light. That does not communicate as this much he communicates that take us from the knowledge of that karma. From the ignorance of that karma, take me to the knowledge of that karma. And therefore, slowly you will find that my sadhana has made me little better mind. And if something is wrong, one point, you have a lot of guilt after that because you have the knowledge very well. Okay. If you have no knowledge, you can go to Chowpatty. And Pani Puri is there. He is taking that. Pani Puri is there. He did like this. Hand is all dirty. And plus that water is also there. He dips his hand. His nails are also quite long. And he dips it. Clothes are also dirty and he gives you. And the vessel also is not washed since last 10 years, in which that is there. One day you came early from a distance. You saw all that thing. That water is not clean in which he is using that. Rather the water which he used to clean, he put that water only. You saw all that thing. Okay. Now it will be difficult for you to eat now. And supposing you are very hungry and you ate, you will have a lot of guilt. You said, unnecessarily I ate this. Could be so dirty he has. I won't eat like this. Outside I won't eat. I will go to some other shop. Where? Inside some hotel. There is no joy of eating Pani Puri in the hotel. Pani Puri is meant to be eaten outside roads where a lot of dust is there. Truck is going, scooter is going, tempo is going. The person should use his dirty hand. It gives more taste to that Pani Puri. That is the way to eat Pani Puri. It cannot be eaten in the AC hall. It has no joy. So after doing sadhana, you become more sensitive. Sensitivity, you understand, no? Sensitivity means where is wrong, you get very fast. And that wrong thing gives you pain. And right thing gives you a lot of joy. Similarly, those who are good teachers, they will be very sensitive. Why you said like this? In music they are teaching. Yoga they are teaching. They will say you did wrong here. Other person say, bahut acha kiya. No, this was the wrongest step he did. Why did wrong? सेंसिटिव हो गया है. Development of any person's education is development of sensitivity in that area. What my point? If you are not sensitive, if you are not underdeveloped, you do anything. म्यूजिक टीचर भी बैठे हैं, म्यूजिक वाले भी हैं, योगा वाले भी हैं. अब you do सूर्य नमस्कार, बोले okay, do like that. He said no. Stretch your hand more, make it straight. Do more like that. Don't wait for 2 minutes. He didn't like Gangal Badke. But I did it. No, you did not do properly. Again start. And it will give pain also. Sensitivity means what is lacking somewhere, you become conscious of that. What is wrong somewhere, you become conscious of that. You don't lead a dull and unconscious life कि गलती पे गलती करे जा रहे हैं, कुछ होता ही नहीं. Animalistic नहीं है. I'm doing wrong and nothing is happening to him. He's continuously repeating the mistakes continuously and he's happy about it. He does not know. Therefore, living with a good teacher means he will be upset about it. He will be angry about it. Similarly, music teacher is also there. And he asks you to sing one rag. He first demonstrated. Little deviation if you make. And he's a good music teacher. He will make you do it again. And if you repeatedly do mistake, maybe he'll shout on you also. I have heard teacher hitting also. Ordinary audience will understand that. But he is intolerant to my perfection. And when I become intolerant to my individual perfection, that is the sign of my evolution. As long as you are happy with your imperfection, that sadhana is not got up. Only I slept more today. Then nothing. You are happy about it. ठीक है. I was angry on that person. कुछ नहीं हो रहा अंदर. नहीं, ठीक ही है. He needs my anger. Good, I was angry on him. अच्छा. Good. तुम्हारा क्या हुआ? अरे my 4 hours went away. But if you become more subtler, he will not keep quiet. बोले I'm fasting now. Why I did it wrong again? Why I lose my mind? I will train my mind. देखो साधना, साधक को दुख ये नहीं होता कि पैसा नहीं हमारे पास. लोगों ने हमको ये दिया नहीं. साधक का दुख दूसरे क्लास का होता है. उसको लगा कि हमने ये गलती फिर से क्यों कर दिया. Why didn't I have more faith in God? Was a better response available than what I gave? His pain is at another level. This is called increment is in sensitivity. And the moment he gets it, he is a high level of fulfillment is there. Supposing some musician sang a very good rag. Audience doesn't know. But he himself will be very fulfilled. But exactly what I wanted, it could come out not today. उसको नहीं मतलब है ताली वाले से. Because his sensitivity caught that, yes, this standard was met today. और अगर नहीं हुआ, people may clap. He will go in his house. I have known people sat for 5 hours after concert. बोले अच्छा ही लग रहा है, क्यों हमने ऐसा किया? So all sadhana makes you sensitive towards your imperfection, towards more God, towards more faith, towards more peace. ठीक है. So don't think only 3 upasana was mentioned and 1 jap was mentioned. That was just a sample one. There can be many more. But you become sensitive to bigness of God. You become sensitive to faith. You become sensitive to Guru's words. You become sensitive to scriptures. Your receptivity has increased. This is called, what was called sadhan prapanch. I am building up for fourth Brahman. Now, sadhya prapanch. Sadhya prapanch means phal that we desire. So, 3 chapters was on sadhan prapanch. Okay. So, adhyarop is of what? Sadhan prapanch adhyarop, sadhya prapanch adhyarop, and avyakrit adhyarop. 3 adhyarop are there. Adhyarop means superimposition. Okay. So here karma has not been discussed, mainly upasanas have been discussed. 3 upasanas, Ashwa upasana, Agni upasana and Prana upasana. All 3 upasanas are samashti upasana. And this portion, sadhan adhyarop, is over. Boli, what about more upasanas? I want to listen more upasanas. I told you about upasanas. That is called Isthali Pulak Nyayena. Means what? If you want to know the rice has been cooked or not, you don't need to have more rice, all the rice. You need 1 grain. When we were a small children, we used to go to halwai shop. बोले भाई मिठाई दो, 1 किलो मिठाई दे दो. बोले अच्छा. बोले जरा सा चखने को दो. लेट मी टेस्ट कैसे मिठाई है. तो ही गेव 1. बोले 1. अरे 1 से क्या, 2 जरा सा चखने के लिए. ही गेव 2 मिठाई. आफ्टर ईटिंग बोले सुनो, टेस्ट क्लियर नहीं हुआ. So you don't need to eat the whole mithai. I think half and half is enough for the taste. So from this portion, you would have got the taste of sadhana and taste of upasana. I hope so. Okay, yes. Now, so fourth Brahmana, that is called Sadhya Adhyarop. It is all Vyakrit or Avyakrit? Vyakrit. Avyakrit will be told. So, fourth Brahman. What is the fourth Brahman? Avyakrit Prapanch and Sadhya Prapanch Adhyarop. 2 Adhyarop will be discussed. Sadhan we saw. Now, Sadhya Prapanch Adhyarop and Avyakrit Adhyarop. I need not translate, no? Avyakrit Adhyarop. You will see, unmanifest, that is written. That is mentioned here. Avyakrit Adhyarop, unmanifest. Sadhya Prapanch. Sadhya Prapanch Adhyarop and Avyakrit Prapanch Adhyarop. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, is it clear? You have to go through in a structured way. No jumping, hopping here and there. This technique is not considered good. So we have to study in a manner through which there is a, while listening only, your thoughts become purifier. Don't think listening, only listening se kya hota? Listening itself is a sadhana. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitram miha vidyate. Even while listening, if mind is quiet, it's a big achievement. Because that quietness that we gain through satsang, it goes much deeper into my persona and we can be quieter for a longer time. So what is the Sadhya Prapanch Adhyarop? Can you please tell? Yes, of course. So Upanishad is going to tell Sadhya Prapanch. Sadhan means what we had to do to go to the highest. Sadhan means what you do to get out of your small thought. What you do so that I see him as a bad person and he troubles me. How to get out of that thought of dvesh. How to get out of that thought of calm. How to see that his success is also my success. How to see that his sorrow is also my sorrow. How to see that God is pervading everything here. I'm not chanting mantra. Actually, God's power is in the mantra that I'm bringing out. Everything I have divinized. Earlier it was egoized. Now it is divinized. So every plant is for my purification of heart. Bird is for purification of heart. So which dilutes your I-ness and minus is the sadhana. Okay. ठीक है. The sharp, violent, thoughtless reactions for a long time that I used to give. Sharp, violent, thoughtless, scary reactions for which I paid a lot. That kind of reactions are curbed by the upasana. I am angry, but not that I am losing my self totally. ठीक है. Now coming to Sadhya Prapancha. What is Sadhya Prapancha? Sadhya Prapancha says, ultimately by those sadhan, biggest thing what you can attain. Sadhya means attained. Supposing somebody says, no, I am doing my sadhana only for purification of my mind. I don't want any bigger lokas. This is one category. Bole daan. I was at one place at Indore, so somebody was feeding me. Very rich person. So that amma was there, very big thali was there, 25 dishes were there. Still I can't forget. And everybody used to sit and eat, but she never sat. She said, I will feed you. So she was feeding 4 kinds of rotis, 3 kinds of curry, so many things. Once I asked, why you have to feed me every Sunday? Why you have to? Without second thought, she said, I will get bigger lokas, I will get swarg. I was having my roti, it could not go. I said, अच्छा, ऐसा भी कोई सोचता है? One person came in Durban and he said, Swamiji, I'm in this profession. I have hard-earned money. I said, very good. But I want to give it to the temple building. Temple was building ashram. So I want to give you 1 million rands for this temple project. I said, are you sure? Have you asked your wife? Have you asked your father, mother? He said, yes, yes. I said, okay. In return, what is your expectation? He said, I have expectation. I said, what? I should get lot of satsang. Lot of satsang. I should get more chance to be at the feet of saints. I should know what is meditation more deeply. I said, what about other lokas? Bole, I don't want that. I want to be liberated in this birth only. I don't want another body. अब देखो ये साधना इसकी हो गई. Two contrast you see. Both is fine. If dispassion is not for that, number one, Sadhya Prapanch is now going to tell the limitation of the highest achievement, so that you develop dispassion. And if you don't want, you will not get it. Fruit is dependent on your expectation behind the action. Don't think everything what you do will have a fruit. Everything you do will not have a fruit. Fruit will be created only when you have a bhokta for situation. I wanted a son, therefore I offered. I went to Mahalakshmi temple. Or I wanted a child. You will have a fruit. Good actions will have a fruit. Therefore Gita says, Yat karoshi yad ashnasi yad johoshi dadasi yad. Pura karo. यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व। अगला श्लोक, अगला, ये तो इसके पिछले वाला है। यू नो व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट श्लोक? शुभा शुभ फलैरेवं मोक्षसे कर्म बंधनैः। बोले बाय ऑफरिंग द फ्रूट टू द गॉड, गुड पॉइंट इज दैट you are not getting another new fruit now. You are free from your fruits. Action is not going to bind outside. Action is going to unbind inside. Action, बोले good fruit. He says, no, I don't want a golden jail. No, you will have very good money, very good wife, but you will have a situation. And if you do something wrong there, another fruit will come. Well, I don't want that. You will become king next birth. I don't want that. You will become big minister next birth. I don't want that. What do you want? I want God should be pleased. Satsang should be there. And my heart which has kam, krodh, irsha, dvesh, that should clear up. This is the seeker's mind. But supposing somebody is wanting a bigger fruit. So Upanishad asks, how big will be your fruit? What is meaning of bigness of fruit? Bigger area of authority. Bigger area you are identified with. देखो ध्यान देना. There is two kind of aham. One is ahankar that I developed. Other is prarabdha has given me some aham. I am a prince. इसमें कोई अहंकार नहीं है. Prarabdha has made me the prince. I am a rich person. Supposing somebody is born in a very rich family. And he has got, if he says I am a rich person, इसमें क्या गलती है भाई? Prarabdha has given him that aham. I am a popular person. Prarabdha has given, he is not ahankari. वो तो Prarabdha has given, made him a popular. So क्यों blame कर रहे हो? But this Prarabdha has given him something. Shruti is raising a question, how big a fruit can be? Chalo. That means how big can be your authority? Remember I told pervasiveness of thought in this birth will determine the area of authority or identification in the next birth. Then it was said, biggest area of authority can be Brahmaji, had the most. Brahmaji means what? Brahma means you are identified to the whole Brahmand. How? Because you did the upasana, the whole Brahmand is mine only. You had a very pervasive thought. If you have a thought of a dog, okay, Tommy, 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 whole day you are saying that. And body passes away. So next birth is now, I am not Tommy. Because the pervasiveness of thought was only that much now. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tejatyante kalaivaram tam tame vaiti kaunteya sada tat bhavita. You have to take Gita, Ramayana, Upanishad all together. Then understanding will be mature. Oh, yes. यान्ति देवव्रता देवान पितृन यान्ति पितृव्रता। हाँ, अगला भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्य। हाँ, यान्ति मद्याजिनोपि माम। बोले तुम आइडेंटिफाइड जहां वहीं जाओगे तुम। अब somebody had done upasana, इतना बड़ा यूनिवर्स है, he will become Brahma. Not, don't think of that Brahma who has forehead. That is a representation of Brahma. And one Bal Vihar child asked me, was Brahma ji old from the childhood? Because he had white hair. Brahma ji, who is identified with the whole Brahman, one Jeev is there, he got the authority of making the whole world for a time being. He is acting Hiranyagarbha, not real Hiranyagarbha. Got my point, no? He's on deputation. For deputation, he is Hiranyagarbha. For time being, I am giving you this post. There is no post which is yours actually. Who is giving? Ishwar. Real Hiranyagarbha is he. But I am giving you my authority that on my behalf you are Hiranyagarbha, but I will be observing you. If you do wrong, then I have veto power. You can suspend me also, of course. But my tenure is not over. So what? Brahma ji, Bhagwan Krishna punished Brahma ji, batao. In Bhagavad, Brahma ji also get confused. But he is identified with the whole. So his body is pervading the whole cosmos. I hope this is clear. This is called Hiranyagarbha. So in the next section, so Hiranyagarbha is highest sadhya in the outer look. Sadhya. Now this Hiranyagarbha, what are the glories of this Hiranyagarbha and what are the limitations of the Hiranyagarbha? Both will be told. Bole, why you are telling the glories? So that you can start thinking bigger. I am telling about the glories so that you get out of your narrowness of mind. Maya, mere Kaam, Krodh are all expression of narrowness of mind. Every negativity in a person tells that his mind has become cheap on certain issue. Calm, you understand, no? I am seeing lot of joy in one thing, one person. Extreme joy is called calm. Well, what's wrong in that? Wrong is that you are not seeing joy in the Ishwar. This is imagined joy. This is imagined joy. And for enjoying that object or a person, now you will put lot of effort. And if you have more calm, maybe you will cross dharma also. Dharma, you understand, no? I will intrude in somebody else's area. I will hide and I will express my calm. I will bluff you. I will cheat you. काम तो ऐसा नहीं कि चुप रहे भाई. वो क्रोध भी नहीं है कि चुप रहे. ये सब इमोशन छोटे नहीं रहते. Problem with this is this. It is like drinking a wine. If wine is drunk in a very little measure, even these cough syrups have alcohol. Cough syrups, if you see the content, it has alcohol. But that is taken 2 spoons twice a day. It's a medicine. So if you take wine medicine, it is very good. But nobody takes wine as a medicine. It is always many pegs. And you are hung on some peg after that. So, Kaam, Krodh are like wine. It is not this much only. We cross the limits after that. That is becoming cheap. Cheap means what? One smaller thought you are holding to. Hello. Your fault I am holding to. So I have made one smaller thought, a very important thought in my mind. I have become cheap now. Cheap means one who thinks very small. It is anti-sadhana life I am choosing now. I will not talk to you at all. By not talking to you at all, I have made your small weakness very big now in my mind. You don't understand this point. Well, forgive him. Forgive means that small thought I have left. What? So one who is doing sadhana, sadhana is for diffusing the pressure centers in your mind. You are deflating it, not inflating it. You are deflating it. A person with ahankar will have pressure. Calm will have pressure. Anger will have pressure. And ultimately that pressure will come out as anger, reaction, sadness. So when you do Hiranyagarbha Upasana, you are deflating all those. And people are not that desireless that they will say, you see, you will get something good. Therefore, Phal Shruti is after every stotra. You will get lot of gold, you will get lot of money, people are very happy. Don't expect lot of selflessness immediately. I am only saying at least try to have a bigger self. But this is the goodness of this upasana. Acha, what is the limitation? Limitation is Hiranyagarbha pade api vairagya siddhartham. Because Brahma ji has to come down again. Why? That fruit is over now. Brahma ji has also become ant. If you read Yog Vashisht, Brahma ji's tenure got over. Bichare aa gaya phir se chiti ban gaya. Former Brahma. So that ये क्या हुआ भाई? ये तो ब्रह्मा जी थे, इनसे गलती हो गई. अब बताओ, what is his name? Nahush was. हाँ, don't talk. Hello, सुनिए. You know, there was a Nahush was there. Nahush, इंद्र के राजा थे साहब, बहुत बड़ा स्थान प्राप्त किया. He said, I want to meet Sachi. Sachi was the wife of earlier Indra. She didn't want to marry. So she said, if Saptarishi can bring him on a palanquin, Saptarishi should take and that they should bring to me, then I will marry Nahush. And this was a trick. Because 7 people cannot be carrying the palki. Ab Agast ji was very short. Ab ye aise है ऊपर नीचे palki. And from the top, he said, Sarpa, move. He kicked Agast ji through the palanquin. He said, Sarp, go and become a snake now. Lo, from Indra, he became a snake now. But because he was a Punyashali, therefore he became powerful snake. Not ordinary grass snake. Pujya snake he became. तो कर्म का तो एरिया ऐसा है कि बहुत जल्दी ऊपर आ जाओ, नीचे आ जाओ. So now about this Hiranyagarbha pad, हमें फिर लगता है I don't want pad outside, I want the peace inside. By my sadhana. So Brahma Jigyasa Siddhyartham, Samsar Nivrityartham. This portion, 4th section, is going to tell about Hiranyagarbha Sadhya Prapancha Adhyarop. This is called Sadhya. About this, I think we will see it. Okay. So, mean to say that Hiranyagarbha pad. I am not saying original Hiranyagarbha. Don't confuse, please. Pad, position for a short time which has been allocated to you by the Ishwar. That is also in the realm of samsara. Because you will have to come back. Well, but how will I not come back? By knowledge. Upanishad hai na? And about that Hiranyagarbha pad, it will be now mentioned. Interesting. So we'll see it in our next class. 4th Brahmana. This was just the context made about that. Hari Om.